Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record videos in Veed IO. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Veed application or go to Veed IO from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From here you can see Record Video option. Click on Record Video, then click to Screen. Choose the screen that you want to record, or you can record the entire screen. Then click to Share. Once you are ready to record, click on Record button from the top right corner. In 3 seconds, your recording will be started. From there, you can pause the recording and resume the recording as well. You can also stop the recording. This is how you can record. You can screen record from Veed IO. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.